Let's get into it. What it do, YouTube? It's your boy Raz, man. We back with another one on the way I see it. We about to get into a little, I don't know what you call this, man. I'm just gonna watch this video and see what these motherfuckers talking about, man. That's all. That's all. Make sure you do all that shit. Do all that YouTube shit. Let's get into it.
So we're doing Guess the Black Person, but this time we've got an expert black person to help us. So ladies and
Guess the black person. Totally forgot that's what this was. Well, goddamn. All right. Seems a tad bit racist, but let's get into it. It's all black, man. Everybody on there black. He a little light skinned, but you know, everybody seems to be the right complexion. So let's see what they talking about.
gentlemen, introducing Knowledge. Hi, what's up? How we doing, guys? Great to see all of you. Yes.
We have given a small YouTuber a chance today. Knowledge, strength, and integrity. I suggest you guys go check him out after this video's done.
Yeah, it's great that I got invited to be here. Obviously, I am indeed the blackest black man of all mankind. Yes, me.
The blackest black man of all mankind. Look, I don't know. Over there, y'all sound a little different, but you know, you still look like Nick. You got, everything else is still looking like Nick, so I ain't gonna press too hard, my boy. All right.
That's the private school.
Why did we bring KSI here for Guess the Black Person? He's white.
Here are 6 people, and they're all claiming to be black. However, only one of them is telling the truth, and it's our job to find out who the real black person is. Round by round, we will vote out one person at a time, and if we guess correct, we win. But if we guess wrong, then the liars will get a cash prize. This is false identity.
No, bring on the black people.
Oh! Bring him in. Oh, hey, number one has come on his stomach. Knowledge is so excited to be on the Beta Squad channel, he came and it landed on number 1's stomach.
I'm watching them as they're walking in right now, just seeing who's got a bit of swagger in their walk. I can confirm none of them do. So this is gonna be tough.
I think they're all white, honestly.
Round 1, let's get into this. Aesthetics, what are you guys thinking? I can't lie, number 5's frame's different. Number 5 is a white man, I can tell. Telling you, don't ask me how, I just know.
I've never seen a black brother wear the Asics. Those ones that.
I fuck with Asics heavy. Like what? I got about 6 pair of Asics over there right now. Like, boy, I fuck with Asics heavy. Them is a little toaster. I ain't gonna lie. Them boys a little beat, but I don't know. I fuck with Asics.
Never in my life have I seen.
My brother, if you're black, you know we're not meant to rock that. It's either Nikes or Jordans.
He's wearing Asics. What type of
What the fuck are Asics? What the fuck? Boy, if you got any type of swag, you already know. You might throw the Asics on with the, you know what I mean, with some shorts, some, you know what I'm saying? The Asics go hard. The Asics really is hitting. Now, if you want to be like everybody else, then yeah, go get you some J's, go get you some Forces, or you know, I don't know whatever fucking motherfuckers wear. I'm trying to look at my shoes right now, but go get you all that shit that everybody else wear. But if you know what I'm saying, if you really out here and you really know what's cracking, you was wearing the Asics, you was wearing the Air Max, it's a certain type of shoe for a certain type of nigga. So I'm just gonna throw that out there.
dumb shoe? Who wears those?
Nico's laughing like he didn't used to have Asics.
Oh God! See, I was hoping you weren't going to call me out for that. Thank you, Sharky, for exposing me to the world. Appreciate you.
It was red ones as well, some dreadful.
That was a very tough time in my life. I wore those shoes everywhere, the red Asics. What the hell is wrong with Asics, guys?
Number 1, please introduce yourself.
I'm Anthony, I'm 35.
I'm Alicia and I'm 22.
I'm Jamel Williams and I'm 23.
Jamel Williams. Get the fuck out of here with that. Eliminate him right now for being a goddamn racist.
Oh, Jamel Williams.
My name's Astille. I'm 24.
Astille?
It was named after the band Bastille, so.
Wait.
Bastille been going for 25.
Bastille, how old are you?
I'm a fan of Bastille.
24.
So Bastille's been making music for 24 years?
Yeah, okay, you've already been
Bastille.
exposed.
I don't really listen to Bastille that much, but I know for a fact he wasn't out 24 years ago, yeah? Something's already dodgy with this youth. He's got a black name, and he's trying to change it by calling it Astille.
Why don't you just say like William or something?
Yeah.
Okay, William.
What's
the
his
fuck
name?
out of here.
Oh, what's wrong with this guy? Is he okay? He just decided to pick names now.
You're 5.
I'm Ricky, I'm 44.
Ricky might be
Why
it.
is it a couple of fines?
Because he looks like the sort of guy, innit?
I reckon every Friday night he's down there with the lads. They're all at the pub having a bunch of pints, beers, whatever you call it.
Number 6.
I'm Leah, I'm 26.
I'm saying we start off by just asking where they're from.
Okay.
All right? And maybe what their heritage is.
Yeah. That's perfect.
In fact, let's start from 6 downwards.
I'm from London. I don't know my dad's side, so
Went to get some milk, did he?
yeah.
Oh,
You better be
shit.
back then, 'cause you can't be saying the usual. You know what I mean?
That's funny. He might have gone to the same shop as my dad. My father said he was going to buy some milk, and I've not seen him since then.
Of course, the basic line, went to go get milk, he's gone missing, and I feel like everyone uses that. Just based off of that, I can tell she's a white person.
Ah, classic milk dad thing. Classic.
Yeah, I hope you're not stealing Sharky's pain as a way to fool us.
What? Why would you do that?
Why would she do that? No, Leah would do that. She's black. She would never be racist, casually racist. Now she's starting to think. Ricky.
I'm also from London.
Ricky might be one of them cool ass white dudes that grew up around a lot of black people. If he not a black dude, Ricky might be one of them white dudes. You feel me? With a little extra flavor. I'm looking at everybody right now. I don't know, man. I don't know. It could be Shorty down there, and the number 2. Number 4, shoulders are too damn high, my boy. You need to relax. So they said, I'm Astel. It's like Bastel. I don't know what the fuck Astel or Bastel is. Shit, I'm gonna go with Brody, the big boy. Just from now, for now, I'm gonna go with Brody. I'm gonna go with the big boy.
Ethnicity?
Yeah. Where's your parents from?
London.
Hey, yo, Ricky, what's going on?
We're talking about where your parents are from, and you're just saying London.
William, where are you from?
Essex.
Essex, and what's your ethnicity? What's your background?
My dad is from Paisley in Scotland, and my mum is from Essex.
And what colour is your mum?
White.
White?
Your dad?
White.
Okay, so what the hell's going on?
Do the maths. If your mum is white and your dad's white and you're black, what does that mean? That means you got left at the doorstep.
Which is possible. It is possible. You feel me? Like, shit happens. Motherfuckers go get milk. Sometimes they go get milk together.
Sorry, I hate to break it to you. You are adopted.
What's going on?
Let's ask him the big question. Are you black?
No.
Number 5.
Hey, let's end this round. Wait, no, end this. It's not done. End the round and take this fraud out. Take him away. You're wasting our time. Jesus.
What sort of game are you playing here, bro?
Yo, why is he saying that? So I don't get it. He's just gone, F it, I don't care anymore. You caught me, I'm white.
You have to convince us that you're black, but he's trying to do the polar opposite. Something's fishy with this guy.
Yeah,
Something's up with him.
I think he's playing with us.
You're playing games.
You're playing games, bro. There's no way.
He's trying to do the black man game.
Yeah, bro.
Trying to do the black man game.
There's a reason staying in the game. I know you.
Is the black man game pretending to be white? Is that's something new? That's something over there? Cause we don't get that type. That's a privilege I am not privy to.
He's a fraud. He's just told you he's white. I'm white.
Okay, wait. So number 6. Are you black?
Yeah.
5?
Yep.
4.
Yes.
I can't be bothered.
Number 3. You black?
Yes.
Number 2.
Yeah.
Yep.
Number 1.
So black.
Oh man. Okay, you can't just come in here and say I'm so black and expect us to believe you're black.
That
Alright,
ain't number
Jamal,
one.
what is your ethnic background?
So I'm from Essex, and my mom is Jamaican.
Hey, he didn't do that the whole time.
He switched his accent up, but I'm so baffed.
Hey, yo, where did this Jamaican accent come from?
Bro might be the one. I don't know. He might be the
I don't know
one.
why everyone's reacting like that. He sounds perfectly fine. He's Jamaican. I saw him in Carnival last year. He was whining 30 girls.
Your mum is Jamaican and then your dad is what?
White.
Alright, cool. So number 2, Alicia?
I'm from Brazil.
Oh. Then number 1, Anthony.
My mum's Irish. My dad's from Jamaica.
Whereabouts in Jamaica are you from?
Don't know. My dad joined the milk club, innit? Whenever this.
My dad joined the milk club.
This is crazy.
Who's suspicious of him?
I think they're all white, honestly. I think they're all black. None of them are black. Like, this.
I just want to say, based on voice alone, even all the black dudes at the table, I wouldn't be able to tell it's black. But I'm not from over there, so I can't tell like the subtle nuances and shit. Like I don't know all that about their black people. You know, granted, we all black people, we all black, but I don't know. Y'all all sound proper English to me.
This game's broken.
Say Whiskey's number 2, man.
No.
Nah.
Wait, number 3 or 2? I think we get rid of them 2.
Yeah.
Number 2.
All right, it's voting time. I'm gonna start with my vote with number 2. Sorry.
Alicia from Brazil.
You're not from Brazil.
I don't think number 5 is a black man.
You guys do know we've literally got someone that said he's white.
For some reason I feel like he's just trying to hide that he's black.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe. No, it's probably the outline in his on his suit. That looks.
What?
That looks like it's 8 inches minimum when it's erect.
Bruh.
Yeah, I'm gonna go for number 2, Alicia. Yeah.
Number 6, I vote for number 6.
Yeah, number 6.
So it's 2 votes for 6, 2 votes for 2.
Sharky's time to decide.
One of these lovely ladies I have to vote for probably to make it easier.
Just sexist, really.
Playing that
big,
card.
Big accusations, and for that, Leah, you're going out.
You're trying to get us cut. We want to be here.
I've been cancelled a few times in my time, and it's not fun.
You can't make those kind of accusations, Leah. And now I know you're a hazard. I don't know what else you're going to be saying throughout the video. So for that reason, you're out.
Round 2, dance moves. I want to see some dancing. Well, clearly as a black expert, normally black people have this thing called rhythm, whereas white people can sometimes struggle with that. Although there are some exceptions. Let's start off with Ricky.
Oh.
Ricky. That's a Fortnite dance.
Ricky.
I want to reiterate, I think Ricky is a white dude that grew up around some black people, because whatever the fuck Ricky just did just now, that was not smooth. But he jumped straight into it with the confidence that you only gain from being in a certain environment. I'm not gonna say a certain color, but that's a certain amount of confidence to jump straight into to what the fuck he just did. So I think Ricky's a white dude that grew up around some black people. We gonna find out.
I don't think that. You know, whitest thing I've seen.
Wow, I ain't never seen moves like that. Well, I have on Fortnite all the time, and what now?
4.
Oh. Yeah.
Oh my god.
Yeah,
ain't no way.
okay, yeah. He might be white.
That brother was moving like a chicken.
He's the whitest man in the room. For sure.
I can't wait for number 3 dancing these.
Hey, give him Jamaican. Yo, shout out to Jamaica.
Give me a better beat. Come on, man.
Yeah, I got you.
Oh, widen. Yeah?
Number 3, I don't know what that was, but that's definitely not a wine. That's more of a whiskey.
No ghost jumping on that.
That was more of a cry. That was not a wine. I don't know how to Jamaican wine either, so I don't know. Shit, maybe. I don't know. That motherfucker's not black though.
No girl's gonna be like, yeah, that's a fun ride.
Alicia, now she's Brazilian.
That doesn't mean I have to dance, though.
Listen, you don't have to do anything you don't want to do.
Yeah.
So anyway, number, you don't want to dance? No?
No.
Never mind. Number 1, Anthony. You want a little something, mate?
Anthony had some sauce to his dance, you know. If you look at the hips, it was moving like a Jamaican. Yeah, boy.
Number 5, you seem slightly white. Can you name 3 words that rhyme with?
Didn't have a very good education, not good at rhyming.
What's he also trying to say, that we're not educated?
No, never. Don't think he's gonna start.
This whole competition can be over. I just need to hear a hard ER. I'll be like, let me get everybody's hard ER. Your strongest hard ER. And the motherfuckers that say it, the one motherfucker who actually say it, that's the nigga.
I swear that what I'm gonna say is he was defensive straight away, so them men are white.
But how does he not know 3 words that rhyme with trigger? We got digger, figure, and
Jamel.
What kind of music do you like, bro?
A bit of everything.
So, like, what's your favorite like bashment artist then?
Oh no, this way.
Got him.
This way.
Got
You
him.
got him. You got him.
My mom wasn't big into Jamaican culture, so I mainly got most of my music from my dad, so I like Rolling Stones.
Jeez, that just changed the accent.
wait. Your mum's Jamaican. So you didn't know your mum too much. So how do you have the accent?
I went on holiday to Jamaica.
He said he got his accent from holiday. How the hell did he get an accent from KSI's song?
Wait. How long was the holiday?
Well, I lived there for about 6 months with my mom's family.
Hey yo, so you're telling me this man went on holiday for 6 months? 6 months! And instantly Jamaican accent.
You got an accent from living in Jamaica for 6 months. So what about the other 20-something years in Essex? You flipping bimbo.
Alicia, number 2. Who is your favorite rapper?
I don't like rap. I listen to jazz.
Jazz.
Yeah, Ray Charles.
Ray Charles.
Oh, Ray Charles. Oh, okay. Okay.
Alicia might be low key. She low key could be the black girl, but she also could just be Spanish. She says she from like Brazil or some shit, so she could just be Spanish. Spanish is like, that's like black adjacent. You feel me? That's like the same shit. Like that's like black culture cousins. It's like Asian people. Motherfuckers don't realize Asian people, like Koreans, they basically black. They just light skinned ass black people. Like they get it cracking.
I think even Ray Charles can see that you're white.
That's the end of round 2. Time for votes. I'll go first. Alicia, I'm going for you. Alicia, I just don't think it's her. She hasn't said much. She didn't give us any dance moves, so we couldn't really tell what kind of rhythm she was working with. So I just think, you know what, Alicia.
Alicia, I'm going for you, sorry.
I'm gonna say I vote for Alicia because I don't think she's the black person on the panel.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to go for the same one.
Fair enough.
Yeah, I believe so. I don't think she's black.
I was gonna vote for number 5, but sorry, Alicia, man.
Why are you looking at me? You're already out.
So I can't say.
How about you as well?
Bye, Alicia.
Yeah, I don't know. I felt like Alicia just wasn't bringing the vibes, man. She was just really like reserved, and she didn't want to show much. She had to go, man.
Tchau, tchau, Alicia. Você está fora.
That means bye-bye, Alicia. Get out!
Time for round 3.
Let's just get this question out of the way, yeah? How big are your dicks?
Oh my God. So you wait for the woman to go?
Now it's time to party. Finally, some dick. Some dick action. Let's go.
As a certified member of the 1 Meter Gang, I just wanted to ask the question of how big is everyone's penises? Because there's a stereotype that black men have long woods.
We'll start with Ricky. How big's your dick?
I'm not complaining.
What? How many inches though?
Bro, get the fuck out of here.
That's respectable.
Must be nice.
Go on then, Astil.
6.
Conservative. I rate it.
6 is always the safety.
Yeah, safety, yeah.
That means he's got 4.5. But anyway, Jamel.
Enough for his sister.
Jamel has lost his
Hold
mind.
on. Bro's name is Jamel? Motherfucker, when is the last time you met a white dude named Jamel, Jamal, Jamar, any of that shit? Come on, bro. This is a no-brainer. This is a no motherfucking brainer.
Getting on to my man's sister. I can't lie, I would have been just banging people in the face.
Hey, yo, Jamal is moving mad. Where did that come from?
Astil, do you have a sister?
Yes.
Oh, man.
If you're a real black man, you're fighting, but never mind. Anyway,
You should have just lied and said no. I'd have been like, nope, I'm an only child.
Wait, how old is she?
17.
Oh!
Oh my God.
Yeah, you've done it. You've done it. You've done it.
Arrest Jamel immediately. I'm not trying to see him on set anymore. He is a monster, he is a beast, and he is a nonce.
That can't run. Yeah, bro. That's an L, bro. Jamal, you were so close. You were so close.
Yeah, that panel. How big are you lots with?
13.5.
Fair.
So your dick is 13.5 inches.
Did you make a mistake? It was meters.
13.5 meters.
Yeah, don't make that mistake again.
Oh, sorry, sir. So is that what's touching my leg right now?
No, that's just the bullseye.
7.2.
Yeah,
Whoa!
That's
What's wrong with that? Yeah, of course I have.
How is it?
Yeah, ruler and everything.
Yeah.
Bro, get the fuck off the dick size shit, man. This shit is awkward. This is, but man, bro, I'm about to skip this shit.
Yeah. They trying to get right in, like. I honestly do believe I have the perfect penis.
Let's talk about hobbies. What would you do on a Friday night, Ricky?
Just kick back with my girl, yeah?
The girl?
Kick back with your girl.
Oh, what race is your girl?
She's light skinned.
Light skin.
Okay. All right, what type of girls do you all like?
Yeah, thank you. Good one. Very good one. Number 3?
Snow bunnies.
Snow bunnies.
Oh,
Do you know what? Just so you guys know, snow bunnies is white women.
I've never heard that term.
I've never heard of that.
What? That's a cultural difference right there, boy. Snow bunnies? Now, don't go around calling white girls snow bunnies. You won't look like a goddamn idiot. But come on, bro. All y'all supposed to be black dudes. You never heard snow bunnies, man? Come on, bro. They fucking frying Bronny right now for going to prom with a white girl. Motherfucker is 17, 18 years old. Like, that's a whole nother video. I ain't about to get into that right now.
I thought, who the hell are these kind of guys? Yeah, where's nobody?
I thought you actually that bunny.
I thought you were animals in there. I was like, well, then clearly I've absolutely plowed through plenty of snow bunnies. It all makes sense now. All right, goals-wise, also tits.
Fair play.
Oh, okay.
Classic question.
Also tits.
Arse all day.
Yeah! Good question, good answer.
As a black expert, I would know that black men do not care for boobs. All we care about is bunda.
Oh, arse.
Bunda.
He's been revising.
Hey.
Jamel, he's doing the right things. He really is, but it's the accent I can't get over.
Jamal clearly watched Guess the Black Person, the first one, so that means nothing to me, even though yes, I'm also a Bunda man, but he thought he can get us on the Bunda comment because he saw how we reacted the first time. You're not getting us.
Me personally, guys, I'm saying we finally executed Donny at the end.
Ricky. Yeah.
Well, we've been on him the whole time.
I've been on him.
Yeah.
Okay, one more before we vote you up, because you're hanging on the tight rope right now. Literally on the thread. What is your ethnic background? You can't say London.
So, like, my mum's from Africa.
Yeah, what about
Kenya.
Kenya?
Yeah.
Whereabouts?
It's a little village.
And that's so Kenya, West Africa, yeah?
I'm guessing it's little enough.
Yeah.
You don't know it.
Nice. You got him. Ken is actually in East Africa, brother.
Sharks.
Never mind.
Baited out man's geography. You're obviously not from West Africa, East Africa. You're not from Africa, maybe.
If I'm being honest, I didn't even know which side Kenya was. Damn it, I might be white.
I don't know.
Right, Ricky Gervais.
That's low-key sad, though. We should know more about Africa, black people, especially over there, because motherfucker, you right by Africa, but in America, too, we should know more about Africa, man. We fucking up on that end.
You get my vote.
Bye, Ricky.
Yeah, Ricky, you gotta go, bro.
He's already walking.
Damn.
He's already left.
He's already left.
He's already going.
You know, man. You need to catch the other L.
Come back, Ricky.
Oh, hold on. Hold the fuck up. Look at my man's shoes on the far right. What the fuck are those? Boy, what? Motherfucker, what? Bruh, the bitch is like a size 17 in the front and a 11 in the back. What the fuck is them? Oh my gosh, my boy. Those is terrible. And then he got the do-rag on. Buddy. You legitimately look like you about to fucking take Curious George on a motherfucking walk, my boy. Get out of here with that outfit on. What the fuck? If that bitch was yellow, oh my god. Where did you get them big ass fucking shoes from? Oh, them bitches is terrible. I ain't gonna lie to you. Them bitches is terrible.
Come back, come back.
Technically, look, there's 3 votes. Yeah. There's 3 of us left to save you. I'm not gonna do it. Ricky, I'm gonna.
Oh, Ricky, get out.
Now you can go.
Wait, Ricky, one more thing.
Before you finish, yeah.
Just before you finish. Nah, get out.
Take care, Ricky. Go back to the pub.
All right, round 4. It's getting close now. We have to decide which one is actually black.
We might have messed up.
No, bro, I'm telling you now, this guy's a black guy.
Look, this guy, can we ask him more questions? Because I don't like.
Yeah,
I feel like he's throwing us off.
He's been lying to us the whole time.
Yeah, he's throwing us off.
First of all, what's your actual name?
I'll be honest, my name's not Still. I was trying to throw you off. My name's actually William.
But he said William.
No, yeah, but I just.
So he was
I made up a
magically
name.
right.
He gave you that name.
You can look back on the tapes, I said William.
Let's look at the footage. Why don't you just say like William or something?
Yeah.
Oh, would you look at that? I'm right. William.
So where are you actually from? Because you said Scotland and something else, but that's obviously a lie.
Well, my mum's from Eritrea, and my dad is from Cape Town.
This guy's going from a Still to William, and he's changing where he's from. He said Scotland, now he's from Eritrea, which I don't even know where that is. And he's the only one doing that.
That's what Nip was. Eritrean or some shit like that. I think it's in Africa. It's African. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, they niggas.
So now he looks very sus.
Listen, I don't blame the guy that he keeps changing his name. He's just got so many names because he's been adopted so many times now.
Brody, does he got a wig on? Is that his hair for real? This one, bro. See, this is why I'm confused. Because black people here look a certain type of way and just, we all pretty much, like, you could tell. This man has, I don't know what that would be. He got suburban hair with an African face. This is confusing to me. Like, I don't know how to take this, period. But, you know, everybody, geez, you know, I don't judge or nothing like that. But, my nigga, you got suburban hair. Your hair is a suburban dude. But your face is African. So
no one actually kept him. I might even adopt him next and just call him Rat.
Have you ever broken your nose?
Yes.
Black people don't break their noses. It's rare.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
Yeah.
Wait, that's actually a fact. I've never heard this fact.
Yeah, but it's rare. We think
Rare, but whoa, it's like flat as I'm saying, bro. Yeah.
Knowledge is talking about it being rare when a black man breaks his nose. Well, what's rare is a man not being able to grow a full-fledged beard at the age of 28.
JJ's right on that one, you know. I box, I spar a lot, you know. I've never hurt my nose in sparring, but the white people that I've sparred, a lot of the times, their nose goes bloody.
You guys ever been pulled over by the police?
Yeah, I have, a few times.
How did the interaction go?
Well, it weren't friendly.
What happened?
They pulled me over because I was speeding.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, he deserved it.
I never said I was speeding, did I?
Yeah, okay. Were you speeding?
Yeah.
There you go.
What did he say to you? He just said, stop speeding?
No, he's like just telling me how fast I shouldn't be going and said that I was going to get a ticket.
Yeah, Anthony has had a pleasant experience with policemen. Oh, no, you caught me speeding. Oh, don't do that again, man.
Hold on. In the UK, are the cops on the same type of time that they are here in America? Because I don't know. I know, obviously, racism probably everywhere, but are the cops on the same type of time? You feel me? Like being black is kind of like black. Like when you say black, that's like an American experience for African American people. Like, I don't know for sure if like the same black experience is experienced everywhere, but from the way they approaching it, I'm imagining it is. You feel me? Like, I'm guessing that they ain't the interactions with the boys ain't too good either. But I don't know. That's a good question. I'm wondering now.
The name. Best be on your way again.
Jamal. Anything else for Jamal?
Say the N-word.
Damn, Jamel, you had me until they got you. They had me till they got you, my boy. That's a telltale sign right there, man. That was easy. They had to save that for the last though, because you could have eliminated the whole fucking group by going down the line like. Too easy, man.
If we didn't need any more confirmation.
I know Jamal very well. He doesn't want to be disrespectful to our people. Isn't that right? Yeah. There you go, man. Still, do you want to say that N-word?
Not really.
Not really. Fair enough. Yeah.
Anthony?
No.
Fair play.
Have you ever said it?
Nah.
Damn. I think they got rid of the black person, man.
Wait.
Oh, God. Yo, for his sake, I hope he's black. I hope he's black.
Have any of you guys ever been called the N-word?
By my black friends, yeah.
Okay, all right. And any in a racist way?
Just in school, like, you know.
Yeah, that's horrible stuff.
Oh, wow. And what did they say? So they just said the N-word to you, and how did you react?
I bopped one of them on the nose.
Cold.
I'm gonna vote for Anthony, not you.
Anthony, sorry, brother. I don't think it's you.
Take Anthony.
I'm just gonna make things interesting. I'm gonna pick Ricky, who's not here. Get out of here, Anthony. That's my vote's on you, Anthony.
Yeah, same here, man. Get out.
No worries, thanks.
Thank you.
Anthony, the hesitation got us. You know what? Bye. See ya.
And then there were two left.
The black one and the white one.
William, what's your date of birth?
25th of May, 98.
And Jamel?
24th of February 1999.
Nice, that was pointless. Yeah, what was the point of that, Sharky? What are you doing?
Can you guys wrestle a little bit? Get him.
Oh shit! He gonna push you. Oh my gosh! Oh my! I'm just gonna say that both of these young men are white. Like, boy, the way he grabbed his wrist just now. First off, he pushed him one little shove. He said, "Could y'all wrestle?" He gave him a little shove. It's just a little push. Man, niggas shadow box all day in the hood. You can't keep these motherfuckers from trying to fight each other all day. Man, I don't know about over there. Shit might be a little different, but you goddamn can't keep motherfuckers from throwing hands or doing whatever the fuck they be doing. Man, all day talking shit, throwing the hands, shadow boxing, all that shit all day long. So I'm already knowing these two boys is Caucasian.
These guys are fighting each other, and I'm a little bit nervous because this may be a hate crime we're seeing right in front of us right now.
Even if one of them is black, yeah, we don't claim any of them. Yeah, what was that? That is just...
Yeah, man.
So let's say you got £3 in your pocket. What are you getting to eat after school?
KFC.
KFC?
What are you getting for £3?
I hope for his sake, boy is black. That was some racist shit right there, my man.
With £3, what are you getting?
That nigga said KFC.
I never said I was going to pay for it.
Yo. This motherfucker's wildin', man.
Of course, another stereotype.
He fucking
yeah?
wildin'.
This guy's starting to get a bit rude.
I think Jamel is and even if he's not a black person,
He's still black.
we should vote William out and give him...
No, because I want to win.
I don't want to lose my money.
We've lost a lot of games.
Then maybe Jamel has to sway you with a quick freestyle.
Can I have a beat, please? Come on.
Let's go.
My name is Jamal. I want the money. Give me the money before I rob ya.
Oh, wait, what?
Listen, forget what I said.
Hell nah.
What's all this robbing thing, man? Like, not every black guy robs.
Everyone happy to out Jamal?
Bruh.
Yeah, Jamal.
Get Jamel out of here.
Bye, Jamal.
Peace out, Jamel. Love to Jamaica, yeah?
All right, and that's it. Jamel is now out. William
let's
is
see.
our chosen black person.
Yeah, no, William has to be black.
William slash Ashdale could tell you were trying to do the mind games, the tricks from the beginning, and there was something about.
I'm gonna say I want it to be known. I think it was one of the girls, because I don't think neither of them was, unless it was Big Boy. But I don't think it was Big Boy either. I don't know. That's fine. Yeah.
Something about you that just screamed, I'm a black person.
It's time for the results. Who is the black person?
All right, that's the end of the game. William, reveal yourself.
Oh, please, man.
I don't think it's William.
It has to be.
Oh shit! Damn!
Come on, that's what I'm talking
Damn.
about. Our losing streak is over. Listen, no one can overturn this stuff, baby.
I should have known from the Asics, man. My boy had on Asics, and if you know, you know, man. Asics is fly, and they not Asics. Your accent is Asic. Your accent is ass. Never mind.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, the black expert has done it again. Betty Squad, I'm here all week. If you need to do find the white person, trust me, I'll be able to find them because I'm very white. I'm so white. I'm a coconut.
I want to meet my best friend, Jamel.
Yeah. Jamel is out of pocket, though. They need to whoop Jamel's ass after this. That boy's out of pocket for the shit he was saying. I don't know what the fuck. Jamel, see, this is the thing with Jamel. Jamel got 2 black friends that he skate with. And he motherfucker, he done got too goddamn comfortable around black people. Around those 2 black people. That he's saying some out of pocket shit. They need to whoop Jamel's ass right after this.
Doctor, how was that?
Yeah, it was good fun.
Who I want to see next? Ricky! Come on, Ricky!
That's Ricky. Alright, Ricky.
Let's go!
Ricky!
Leah.
Oh, blood.
Yeah. Already saw.
Damn.
Wait.
She lily white. God damn, she look like who the chick from Snow? Elsa? She look like Elsa. She Elsa white. God damn.
So would she be a snow bunny then?
Yes.
Is she?
Oh,
Is she a snowball?
well, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Let's go with Anthony.
Let's go for
Okay. I can see it. Anthony.
Lastly, the Brazilian.
Alicia.
Alicia.
Are you actually Brazilian?
Yep.
Oh, fair play.
Oh wow, big knowledge.
What's up, Alicia?
How many likes?
1 million.
1 million?
1 million likes.
1 million? You don't even know what I'm
1
going to ask
million
you.
likes and it will happen.
Okay,
Oh,
1
shit.
million likes, and Beta Squad will take on the Sidemen in a charity football match.
Oh.
1 million likes?
1 million likes.
1 million likes.
Hey.
All that's left is the trailer, so.
Okay.
So
Play the trailer.
can you just please, knowledge, say, play the trailer? Okay, we'll dub it.
I don't know what the fuck.
Bye Prime.
Bye, Prime!
I'm sorry,
And
I'm
then
sorry.
play the trailer. after it.
We're gonna be matching the girlfriend to the boyfriend.
Bro, I'll be honest.
I have no idea.
This is techie.
Alright, I don't know what this next video is, but that shit was fun. I don't know, man. Niggas over there ain't the same as niggas over here, so I couldn't call it. I ain't gonna lie to you. They all sound like suburbanite, proper ass motherfucking, you know what I'm saying? Not that speaking proper is a white thing, but flavor is a black thing. That's all I gotta say. Alright, y'all.